I always wanted surround sound. So let's unbox this Ultimea 6-speaker surround sound. It's only $129 off Amazon. Next speakers are wireless, Bluetooth. So let's open it up and see what comes up. Packaged well, neat and clean. Got all the cables. Chargers. Remote. This is the soundbar. Four small speakers. And the bass. Packaged well, that's everything. Okay, here's everything you get in the surround sound, 7.1 virtual surround sound, Aura A40 from Ultimea. Got the bass, soundbar, 4 speakers. These are brackets if you want to put them up on the wall screws. You take these little screws, I guess you put them in the back of there, mount those on the wall if you want to. The instructions, power cords, cables, everything's labeled well. The back of the soundbar. You have an app you can put on your phone. And here's the bass. Of course, it's not a big system, but it should work well. Okay, this is the Ultimea 7.1 virtual surround sound Aura A40, all connected. Just certain things you need to know. That it doesn't have a HDMI cord. To connect it to the TV, it's this like a fiber optic connection. It doesn't really connect in hard, but you have to have it on the back of the TV too. But it's real easy to connect. Everything's spelled out for you. That's the power cord that goes to the subwoofer. White to white, red to red, red to right. It's not on now. Comes with instructions. This is how I have it set up in the bedroom. There's one little speaker there, and the other little speaker there. Now let's, here's the remote. Just power it on. That's just the TV playing right now. And on. And much louder. You can hear that speaker too. And that speaker up there. And of course you can boost up the sound. You can see.
Where's your wife, sir? Got it. I got it. I got it. Don't worry.
It comes with 4 little speakers.
Superman is dead.
A subwoofer, bass.
Hey, Joe, Superman.
And pretty easy to set up. Now, let me shut it off. Well, that's just the TV volume. So you'll need a newer TV that has that fiber optic connection. It's like a little, what I call a doghouse door. You can see it there. This is a new Roku TV. Like $178 at Walmart. But other than that, real easy to set up. Works quite well. And this is a good size room, bedroom. 16 feet by 13 feet. And you can see the sound is amplified pretty well. And you can change it to movie. Game. I really can't tell that much. And that's night mode. Like the movie. I guess you gotta point at it. And if you notice, movie mode. So a pretty good system for $129. I'm pretty satisfied. Let me lower it. The Aura A40. I'll give you some discounts. I think I got a really good price on it. Just the only thing you're going to be wary of is this connection to the TV. It's like a fiber optic cable, but it does have a USB connection. It doesn't have HDMI, but you'd have to provide your own USB cord. Other than that, I'm pretty satisfied. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. It's probably the best bang for the buck. Ultimea A40 7.1 virtual sound. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the information.